bought a massive shopping from it's a Thai shop, Asian shop online, so bought lots of ingredients. Let's open. Okay. So we have here chippy. My children loves chippy. Piatos. V-pack is too spicy for them. And then this pancit bihon. This golden bihon is really good for pancit, making pancit. More V-pack. And then roller coaster. This is potato rings and it's cheese. And I'm gonna try and make puto. Filipino delicacies. What's this? I'm not sure what's this one is, I think it's a frozen fishbowl. Got 2 packs of suka, which is vinegar and toyo, soy sauce. 2 packs. Lots of Filipino cuisine is you need vinegar and soy sauce. And then I just bought lots of these bihon. Lots of the bihon. And I got some canton. Pancit canton. Let's try the pancit canton. Oh, I got 3 of these. And 4 of these. I need a big... should have bought the bigger one. Never mind. What's this? So it turns out to be langka, which is jackfruit in syrup, and makapuno, coconut in syrup. And they pack really well. So I purchased this on Sunday, and it was shipped yesterday, this batch, and then I received today. Really good service, really quick shipping. So this one is banana sauce, which is UFC. This is, instead of tomato ketchup, they call it as banana ketchup or banana sauce. This one is pandan flavor. Let's have a look. Okay, I think it's the pandan flavor. Yeah, it's the pandan flavor. You can use it in dessert seasoning, like adding flavor. Like in the West it's vanilla, in Philippines mostly pandan flavor. So for dessert you use that a lot for flavoring. So for frozen stuff, that's what they have. I got, and oh, I got some lumpia wrapper. I got this small pastry roll which I want to use for spring roll or lumpia. And they are really good because they put ice. So in this one it's really good. It wouldn't spoil, so that's why they ship it next day delivery. So that's all the ones I got. I can't remember the total. I think this is about, was it 50 or 60 pounds? I can't remember. I'm gonna put it on the description or on the screen. But yeah, just a quick unboxing of what I bought, because I've got everything, you see. So I really just want some pancit, this bihon. So I have to buy something else because you have to pay for like £10 shipping. So I had to buy, might as well stock up with this. I need more of this anyway, soy sauce, because I have 1/2 left. And yeah, it will be cheaper to buy them in 2, like in a combo like this, rather than 1. So I bought vinegar and soy sauce anyway. So yeah, that's all it is.